Hey guys, what's going on? If you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing because you want to earn $1,000 plus commissions promoting other people's products that you didn't even create, then I have a really cool video here for you. Really quickly, I just want to show you something that's pretty amazing, really. So the first thing I want to show you is the back dashboard of the Legendary Marketer program. And the reason I want to show you that is because this 15-day business builder challenge is where it all starts if you want to be a high ticket affiliate marketer. It's super inexpensive and an amazing value. But the other thing that I want to show you that is even more interesting is if we go over to the affiliates tab here, hopefully y'all can see this, and we go down to the scoreboard section right there. What this is going to show you is the top affiliates for this program. And if you'll notice here, you might see some names that you recognize. Hopefully we can get this to focus here. But if we look at the very top of this screen here, you're going to see hopefully a name that you recognize across the top there. And it's true, I've become the #1 affiliate in the world for this program, and I'm not telling you that to brag or to say, hey, cool, look at me, or even sell you a course. I don't have any courses for sale. That's not the point. The reason that I'm sharing this with you is because that's what this channel is all about. This channel is all about showing you my exact strategies that took me to the top of the leaderboard for the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. I'm completely 100% transparent on this channel. So if you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing and you want to follow the success by promoting the exact same program with the exact same methods that I'm using, then make sure you subscribe to this channel first and foremost, because I detail all the steps on this channel and I give you everything for free. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll make a video that'll help clear things up. But the second step is actually joining that challenge. And once again, it's super inexpensive, but it's going to give you the founding building blocks for getting to this point. You'll find a link for that down below at my15daychallenge.com. Now, one last cool thing, which you'll also find in the description, is a link to a couple of videos. So what I did 7 months ago when I was basically at zero with this program, I hadn't really made any money with it yet other than a soft promotion to an existing list. I was basically at zero. I think I was at $180 a month or something like that. So I created a video, it's on this channel, it's free to watch, that detailed the exact plan I was going to take to actually go from zero to get to 6 figures was my initial goal. And then once things started rolling, I set the goal to be the top affiliate for this program. But anyways, everything I detailed in that video is exactly what I did over the last 7 months to go from the bottom basically to the top of the affiliate leaderboard. So that's a really cool video. I'll go ahead and link both. It's a 2-part video, really. You got to watch the second part first for it to really make sense. But I'll link that down in the description. And if you follow those steps, you jump into the challenge, you invest in yourself, I don't know if you'll get to the top of the leaderboard, but you will see success if you model the success. So that's what I want you all to do. So make sure you like this video if that's awesome. Subscribe to this channel, start diving in, go to the description, follow the links. I'll also put my free Facebook group down there. There's about 2,500 people in there right now. I do daily, at least weekly video trainings. I usually post daily in there, and I also answer questions. And really the purpose of this is to help you get on a path that isn't BS, right? Like actual beginners are seeing success with this program, and you can too. It's not get rich quick overnight. I told you it took me 7 months as an experienced affiliate marketer to get to the top of the leaderboard. But that doesn't mean it's going to take 7 months for you to earn your first commission. I have a friend of mine who's become a friend of mine through this program. That on a side note, that's what's really cool. This program has an amazing community as well. But there's a gentleman who was on that leaderboard. He's become a friend of mine. He earned his first $1,000 commission in his first 30 days. So it's possible. But you got to follow the proven plan, and that's what my training's all about. Because I want to help you get to the point where you can start seeing success with this program as well. So yeah, now it's on you. All the information is out there. If you have any questions, let me know. Check out the links in the description for more details. Say hello, and if you need any help, I'll be happy to help you out. But this is the legit program, guys, that you need to get started and to finally start seeing your success. Put the blinders on, commit to consistency, and I can't promise results, but I'm not selling you anything anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. If you do those things, you follow this program, you stick to it, you put the blinders on, you work hard, you see what else is working, and you model success, you will find success. So that's all for now. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.